Hello everyone, my name is Motoki Terui. Today, I'm going to share how my research topic is constructed with you. Firstly, I give you a simple question. How can we get money? The answer of this question is very simple. We have to work to get money. Even if you want to get money by outside of something working, for example, stock trading, lottery, gamble, you need to make initial cost of this by something working. So, we have to work to live. In our life, there are a variety of jobs. Once you look over around you, you can find a lot of jobs and services. In my position, I can find bank, store, convenience store, and infrastructure service. We take it granted that these jobs exist around our life. I think these jobs exist too naturally, so we may not notice that many jobs have disappeared in our life. By the way, can you imagine where the nearest public phone is? And do you notice that public phones have disappeared year by year? I think the reason why public phones have disappeared is easy to understand. Appearance of cell phone have given impact to public phone. We can call everyone who have phone wherever and whenever you want to call. Even signal is normal. As I mentioned, many jobs and services which were familiar with us have been replaced by new technology. Technology makes us life convenience and safety. As for phone, before we got cell phone, we needed to call someone at home with landline phone or use public phone. To use this phone, we needed to memorize phone number exactly. But after we got cell phone, we have not needed to memorize phone number because cell phone can memorize a large number of phone number more exactly than the human. Recently, actions which the human did with body or brain have been released by technology. In my report, I mentioned impacts caused by technology to future of our employment. Like phone industry, some industries are facing to change their industrial construction. I researched what kind of jobs were replaced by technology in such progress. By the way, I will join in consulting firm in 2018 spring. So, in my research, I examined how can business consultant provides value to society. From now, I'm going to share with you about construction of my research. My research is constructed following agenda. First, introduction. In this part, I specify why I chose this topic as my research. Next, literature review. In this part, I specify why I was interested in technology and employment, and why we should consider future in this time. Not only this, also I mention why I choose Accenture as my first career. In my research, I refer many kinds of academic researches and reports which are released by companies. Main method of my research is referring primary data. In result section, I summarize information with the framework named MISTY. After that, I conclude my research question logically. From now, I'm going to introduce summarize of part of my conclusion. Through research process, I conclude that two types of jobs will be replaced by technology. One is routine work. Technology is good for tasks which should be completed with ordinary manner because machine can complete tasks without failure, even code is appropriate. The other one is non-routine work. Technology is good for processing and utilize large amount of information, like healthcare and stock trade are already target to computerization. More than 40% of occupations apply such two types of jobs. So, we need to prepare such circumstance. I think we should understand that what kind of tasks are suitable to be completed by technology. If people do not understand it, they will fight over jobs with technology. People are better than technology in creative jobs, so everyone needed to think that how they can work creatively in each company. Through my examining my research question, I could consider my career, so I hope my research will be motivation to think about your own career too. Thank you for your watching my video.